Goa government, as far as tourism is concerned, we need to promote many things. जो टुरिस्ट येतात ताच्या खातीर, जो डोमेस्टीक आमचे आसता लोक तांच्या खातीर, डोमेस्टीक आनी इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट तांच्या खातीर, टू नो वॉट इज आवर कल्चर, वॉट इज आवर ट्रेडिशन, वॉट आर द फेस्टिविटीज. सो इन ऑल राउंड प्लॅन लास्ट 2 years वेदर इट इज इव्हेंट्स, फेस्टिविटीज हॅव बीन मूड व्हेरी इन्क्लुसिवली. म्हणजे लोकांक कशें हेल्प जाता, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जावं, बाकीचे आमचे गोंयकार जावं, ते स्टॉल घालून कशें जोडूंक शकता. एट द सेम टायम शोकेसिंग गोवन टॅलंट, कांता गावडे जावं, बाकीचे बँड्स जावं, who play this Goan music. Goan music is very famous throughout the world, and we have had talented people who have performed throughout the world, and we give this stage in Goa. So जे tourist ह्या म्हयन्याक येतात तशे various calendar event पळयले, Spirit of Goa is one of them. मे म्हयन्यान हो Spirit of Goa येवन we try to talk about the spirits of Goa which are based around a particular cashew fruit जावं, बाकीच्यो गजाल्यो जावं, ताजेर we are talking about, and we also try to ensure that the people who come here, आता उर्राक आनी फेणी म्हणले गोंयकारांक खबर आसा. भायलो जो येता ताका उर्राक आनी फेणी कितें, उर्राक म्हणजे कितें, फेणी म्हणजे कितें. इफ आय गो टू श्रीलंका आय विल हॅव अराक, बट इफ आय कम टू गोवा आय वूड लायक टू टेस्ट उर्राक. ती उर्राक तुका जुलयान मेळची ना, ऑक्टोबरान मेळची ना, ती आतांच मेळटा. फेणी इज अ प्रोडक्ट विच इज मे बी गेटिंग अ GI टॅग, विल बी अ ODOP, वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन प्रोडक्टनूय आमी घेतिल्लो आसा. सो दीस इज अ प्लेस वे कमिंग डावन वी हॅव अ इव्हेंट क्युरेटेड अराउंड where people from various parts of the state, various parts of the country and various parts of the world can come and enjoy our food, our cuisine, our food drinks, and also enjoy the music. So ताज्या खातीर हो वर्साचो जो every year जाता, for every year it has been there. Last year we brought it to South Kolwa with Wenzi asking for Kolwa, आणि तेन्ना आमी सावथाक हाडलो आनी कोलवा घालो. इट वॉज व्हेरी क्लियर द चीफ मिनिस्टर वॉन्टेड टू गिव अ मेसेज व्हेरी क्लियरली, कित्याक जे पॉलिटिक्स राजकारण जाता की सावथ वेगळे नॉर्थ वेगळे, गोंय एक, आणि आमकां सगळ्या कडेन इव्हेंट जाय. सावथ एंड नॉर्थ हॅव द सेम प्रायोरिटीज, आणि आज आमी पयलो इव्हेंट ह्या वर्साचो स्पिरीट ऑफ गोवा सावथ गोवा हाडून वी आर एन्श्युरिंग द पीपल ऑफ सावथ गोवा अलॉंग विथ द पार्ट ऑफ गोवा and the rest of the world, including our Indians, come here and celebrate. So ह्या फेस्टिवलाक ज्या तरेन आमकां रेसिप्रोकेशन मेळटा, last year was a big success, and again this year we have come here again with the demand of the people and our MLA here talking about the event which needs to be boosted. Kolwa has been a center point from a tourism point of view in the South Goa. We have taken it as an iconic destination for purpose of beautification and upgrading it in terms of infrastructure under Swadesh Darshan. आणि ताज्या खातीर ताका जाय त्या एरियेन सपोर्ट दिवचो आणि टुरिझम हांगा वाडोवचें ह्या हितून आमी हांगा हो फेस्टिवल घडयल्लो आसा.
One quick question: any particular reason why to brand it separately in the north as Kaju Festival and here as Spirit?
No, the more the festivities, better it is. I think this event, the Spirit of Goa, has been happening for the last couple of years. Kaju Festival, I think with Divya coming in, they decided to get and talk about the Kaju Festival, the Kaju plant. They're talking more on the forest side of it, where they're talking about the workshop on Kaju, how the Kajus are. आमी भाजिल्ल्यो बियो खातात, कश्यो करतात, kernels कितें आसता, what is the usage, what are the products and byproducts that we can make, what are the other organic bio things which we can make is being shown over there, and also complemented with a similar type of things. Each area, the more festivities it comes, allows more tourism to be boosted, whether I do it or somebody else does it. But I think building stories around this is very important to promote Goa in the right spirit. आमी गोंयकार म्हणटा ते ओराद, आणि आमी गोंयकार म्हणटा ते we enjoy life the right way, in the right spirit. And that is what we need to showcase to the world, what we Goans are, and the world needs to see what we are. When we talk about Atiti Devo Bhava, we can talk about hospitality, but keeping all these ingredients together.
And also, a lot of this distillation happens in the hinterlands, like in talukas of Konkani, Sange. Would the Goa tourism look at extending these festivals to these talukas also?
See, we are coming with different festivals. So let us talk about each festival when it comes. So we are not building the whole year throughout with the Kaju. We are building up many more festivals. We have the wine festival. We have so many things happening around. The tourists coming in at different seasons get to explore and enjoy different moments. So as we go to the hinterlands, you might be getting more events coming around the hinterlands. In this forthcoming year, you might see something around the mango. You may see many things around happening around. So let us talk. If you believe me, one of the largest gin breweries are happening in Goa today. आमकां गोंयकारांक कमी खबर आसतलें, पण इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट न्ही, gin manufacturing which is exported and also available in the country, maximum is coming from Goa through the distilleries.
More than 19 brands.
More than 19 or 21 brands. So I think we're talking about certain things which were never there earlier. And as we build up this new story and curate it, we need to ensure that tourism promotes it in the right sense to attract the new thoughts of the fellow who wants to come and explore. Gone are those days where the tourist wants to come very monotonously for doing only ABC. He doesn't want to do only ABC now. He wants to see the world. And we need to show him the world in Goa, which we have. but we have never showcased earlier. So we are getting it on a platter. So whether it is food, whether it is culture, whether it is tradition, whether it is festivities, whether it is different types of things. Now this coming year we are moving. Tourism is going with, as a moving things with a single window wedding destination. With the Prime Minister's thoughts, conference and weddings have always been, Goa has been a priority. Our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, has spoken about it to take it and move it in a nice manner. We have had a chat with the Chief Minister and we are moving it so that every area which we are able to cover, Goa needs to encash on it. That tourism is the mainstay, it's an industry, it's not a department. And it covers largely to the economics of the state and also contributes to the employment. So employment आमचे maximum 35% सुमार आमचे employment direct and indirect. And economically is 16.43 to the GDP. So gross domestic product आमी जेन्ना इतले contribution जाता जाल्यार maximum ताका करून दिवप हे म्हाका दिसता आमचें कर्तव्य आसा आणि आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्याचो पूर्ण साथ घेवन असले फेस्टिवल्स करून वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट टुरिझम 2.0 कम्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल.
सो तुमी आतां सावथा म्हणटात सर हांगा हॉटेलवाले शेक ओनर्स जावं टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स ते बोर्ड म्हाका हांगा बिजनस येना बिकॉज ऑफ दाबोली एअरपोर्टाचे फ्लायट्स येता न्हू
आमी ते मरे आतां परत बंद करपाक जाय. आय थिंक वी आर वर्किंग थिंग्स टुगेदर. मोपा एंड दाबोलीम आर सीइंग इक्वल ट्रॅफिक. इनफॅक्ट दाबोलीम ट्रॅफिक इज मोर. आणि पॉलिटिक्स सोडले द गव्हर्मेंट मुख्यमंत्री उतर दिल्लें आसा. आमी सगळ्यांनी सांगिल्लें आसा की दोन्ही एअरपोर्ट सर्वायव जातले. साऊथ गोवा एंड नॉर्थ गोवा विल बी देर for the things. Issues have been raised by Venzi in the assembly also. He has been given assurance in the assembly also. So कोण तरी एक इमेज तयार करता कितें तरी उलोवंक जाय पॉलिटिक्स जाल्यार तें उलोवचें पडटा. तें उलयता आसतना वी आर हियर टू सर्व. डेट इज वाय वी आर इन साऊथ. तशें जाल्यार आतां मार्मागोवा पोर्ट ट्रस्ट विच इज इन वास्को वी आर कमिंग विथ द क्रूज टुरिझम. वाय वी डिडंट गो टू आगवाद? वी केम हियर because we want things to happen in south, so we need to complement it well. World Beach Pro volleyball zalo खंय जालो? सावथाक जालो, नॉर्थाक करूना. North having all the amenities, we are moving here because people need to come here. There are large inventories of hotels which need to be also serviced. So economics works everywhere आणि ताज्या खातीर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जावं जेवण जावं सगळ्यांक हे पळोवपाची दृश्टी मेळपाक जाय. ताज्या खातीर आमी अशे इव्हेंट सुद्दां फेस्टिविटीज आर कॅरीड थ्रू आउट द स्टेट.
What tourism department is doing awareness in Dubai to attract tourists?
It is not, we have to attract all emerging markets. Going to Dubai is not attracting Dubai people. Going to ATM, Arabian Travel Mart is like a place where the world comes. मुख्यमंत्र्याक मुद्दम सांगला आमचे ब्युरोक्रेट्साक थंय व्हरपाची गरज आसा म्हणून. तांकां दिसता एकदां आमी भायर कित्याक वतात काय म्हणून ब्युरोक्रेट्साकूच दिसता. सो आमकां ते भायर वचून आमी कितें धंदो करता आनी कितें हाडटा आनी हाव बिजनेस मूव्स इज वॉट वी नीड टू टॉक. And we need to encash and ensure that same आमी रशिया आणि UK मार्केट्स घेवन बसले. नवे मार्केट्स टॅप करपाक जाय ते टॅपिंग चालू आसा. सो यू नीड टू गो अँड शो अ प्रेझेन्स देर. And I can proudly say that this time Goa stall was one of the best stalls as far as the India pavilion was concerned. So जंय आमचे पूर्ण देशाचे स्टॉल्स आशिल्ले तातूंत गोंयचे हाका even the ambassador and the consul general in Dubai from India complimented saying that Goa had a lovely stall. We had co-exhibitors who did a lot of business and that is how business grows. एक जाग्यार रावल्यार जायना आनी ताज्या खातीर आमी भायर वचून धंदे करचे पडटा, धंदे हाडचे पडटा. And that is what we have been doing by touching upon emerging markets through this type of travel marts.
सो तुमी बेनावली म्हणटा तसं बेनावली न्हू सुनी ट्युरिस्टां फाटीं लागता.
पळय इट्स अ व्हेरी सिरियस इशू. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली बेनावली. सगळे कडेन कोण जेवण घालता थंय तांकां हें मेळटा. शेकवाले जेन्ना सिजन चालू आसता उरिल्ले लिटर आसता ते खातात. जेन्ना तांकां शेक बंद जाता ते कुत्रे पिसावतात की तांकां जेवण बंद जाता. That is why all these things happen. We have been taking it very seriously. But एक कुत्रे बिचा वयले आनी भायले म्हणून कुत्रे ते कुत्रे खंय आसता. Dog lovers are equally there as what we have issues and challenges. We need to come out with a strong policy through animal husbandry. We have been talking to the Chief Minister and I think येता ते वर्सा कितें तरी समज आयलें जाल्यार we'll be able to tackle the situation. Simultaneously our director is taking efforts to ensure that on the beach, through the beach cleaning agency which will be coming new, ताज्या कडल्यान हे जाता इतले आमी ताजेर सामावून घेवचे हे आमी प्रयत्न आसता.
Has the election code affected the tourism season in some way?
Definitely, election code has definitely affected season. People are busy in elections. People are busy in campaigns in various states. Domestic traveling has been less, so the footfalls have been averagely low as compared year to year. If I compare April-May last year to April-May this year, footfalls comparatively have been low.
So, in that perspective, would you say one election, one nation?
We are always for what the Prime Minister says has got a lot of logic behind it. One nation, one election will have a lot of things. Cost will go down for so many issues which come up, and elections will be one which will take care of every election and every 5 years. So परत election म्हणना कोड म्हणटा ते ना. नाल्यार आमचे MLA चे इलेक्शन सोंपता 2 महिने कोड, MP इलेक्शन सोंपता 2 महिने कोड. ZP इलेक्शन सोपतात 2 महिने कूड, पंचायत इलेक्शन सोपतात 2 महिने कूड. So out of 5 years of our tenure, 1 year is almost lost only on code and campaigns. So effectively it's 4 years. Last year you are on campaign, so effectively you are 3 years. So you need to actually work fast. ताज्या खातीर I think things like this, one nation, one election will be good.
Question is, in terms of this whole global warming, increasing heat, there's also been a drop in productivity of cashews. So these things would also affect the whole idea of branding these spirits. These
I think we should think positively. Climate change and global warming as the world is moving towards it. G20 which happened in Goa talked about sustainability and green investments. So आजूच जालें आनी फाल्यांच जातलें अशें ना. I think the world is started moving towards it. It may take some time. Things as far as cashew, the traditional fruit is concerned, I think our agriculture department and the other departments are taking enough care to ensure that things we are able to protect. As you say, you are right in saying that it is a challenge, but I think the government will be able to score about it and ensure that we are able to leave it. ताज्या खातीर आज तूं जसो आयला, you should have a part of the Urrak and part of the Feni also, so you feel what is going on.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.